Thank ISNA through its president, Dr. Saeed, for the road that it has traveled for 56 years in bringing us where we can speak about so many achievements.
This country is continuously in the making and achieving more, and I believe that American Muslims will have to provide the leadership.
During these troubling times, our community is facing challenges never seen before. ISNA has been there for you and your families for decades. In this crisis, we are providing virtual programming for you.
In the beginning of March, at the outset of this current pandemic, ISNA took the initiative and created the National Muslim COVID-19 Task Force. In the beginning, we had just 2 organizations that came along, but very quickly this became a very broad coalition of more than 45 national organizations.
Because of COVID-19 and people being held up in their homes, we realized that we quickly have to go to online and virtual programming, and so we immediately instituted the Friday reflections, where we tried to provide a spiritual uplifting during Friday time for people because they no longer can go to Jummah. In Ramadan, we offered Ramadan programming and spiritual talks. When Eid came, we wanted to make sure that our community feels the spirit of Eid, so we did an Eid celebration that included entertainment, some speeches, other things to lift their spirit. And since then, we continue with our Friday programming, and we continue with online programming regularly with things that are relevant to our community.
Where we celebrate our accomplishments, and at the same time we also talk about our challenges, and we bring in experts, we bring in leaders, scholars, activists who come and share their vision and who share their ideas.
Let me thank the Islamic Society of North America for inviting me. We must speak out at hate crimes and violence targeted at the Muslim community and call it what it is: domestic terrorism.
It was March 7th, 1965, when marchers were walking from Selma to Montgomery to protest the killing of 26-year-old man Jimmy Lee Jackson. In 2020, we are mourning the death of George Floyd. Racism, unfortunately, has become institutionalized in America. Our African American brothers and sisters are in the forefront, combating and confronting this challenge. We want to get this message across that if you want others to stand up for you, then you have to stand up first on their behalf, based on your faith and tradition and religious values and convictions, and speak up and oppose racism. Based on these important and critical values, we have come up with this year's theme.
ISNA has prioritized masjid development. Masjids are essential, vital for the future of Islam in America.
We continue to work with Islamic schools, provide them much needed professional development and much needed support in their quest to educate our children and our future.
This year, with the onset of COVID, the education forum was postponed. But alhamdulillah, ISNA rose to the occasion and offered an online event featuring teachers and administrators from throughout the country offering guidance and wisdom to all other schools. Alhamdulillah, because it was online, many more people were able to attend than normal.
Minna is about every single Muslim youth of North America.
Where else can you go to a camp and meet youth from all across the country, form powerful friendships and build your faith with them?
Please support ISNA so that we can all meet these challenges together.
Islamic Society of North America is continuously providing its services through its virtual platform. Please give your generous tax-deductible contributions to ISNA. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reminds us 150 times to spend in His path. Your financial help and assistance will definitely strengthen the hands of ISNA, and ISNA will be able to continue to provide the important basket of services. So please go online at isna.net and give your generous contributions to ISNA.